Hi guys, and welcome to next unboxing and assembly instruction video from Mini Bike Store. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fully assemble the brand new product from Nitro Motors. This is the Panther 1000W 36V mini electric dirt bike for kids. So in this video, step by step, I will show you how to fully assemble this bike and make sure it's safe and ready to use. So let's open the box and see what is inside. Here it is how the mini electric dirt bike is packed in the box. You can see that it's very well packed, just to make sure it arrives safe to you. So let's remove it from the box and start assembly. For easy installation, you can place the bike on the little stand. Wherever you have it can be just a little box. So you have access to both wheels, the front one and the rear one. So with the bike you will receive the front wheel, just here. Here we have the front mudguard, the front number plate, and bag with tools, charger and user manuals. So let's start assembly now. First cut the wires which hold the rear wheel, just like this. The bike will be more stable now. Next, cut the wire here which hold the handlebars to the front shock absorber. Unwrap the handlebars. From handlebars, remove these two nuts. Next, place the handlebars here on the top. You need to loosen this board and this board from the brake levers. Just a little bit. One. And second one, so you can move the brake levers forward, just like this. Next, insert the nuts here and tighten both nuts very well. Next, you will need to install this front mudguard. So from the bottom here you need to remove these two little screws. This one here. And the second one. Then insert the screw through the front mudguard. And the second one. And tighten both screws. Next, remove this screw here. Insert the number plate in position. Just like this. And then the screw here. Next, you will need to install the front wheel. So remove the axle. Here you have two spacers, shorter one and longer one. The longer one has to be from this side. So take the axle. Insert the axle through the fork, through the spacer, then insert the wheel, go through the wheel. From the other side, insert the second spacer, and then through the second fork. Once you have that, insert the nut and tighten it well. Next, you will need to install the brake. Remove this screw here. Loosen this screw on the top. Insert the brake inside the brake disc. and then insert the bottom screw and tighten it well, both screws. So you have the brake installed. You can regulate the brake. Here it's okay. If you need to regulate the brake, you can find a video on our YouTube channel how to regulate the brakes on mini dirt bikes. So now we have the front ready, we can move to the back of the bike. At the back of the bike we actually have all pre-assembled, so we have the wheel on, we have the brakes, chain, everything is on. The only thing we have to do, we need to connect the rear shock absorber just here at the bottom. So remove the bolt, put the mud guard just through the fork like here, then lift the rear wheel a little bit till you match the hole with the shock absorber, insert the bolt through it and secure it with nut. And tighten it well. The last step is to regulate the brake levers. So place the brake levers in position just like this and tighten it, this bolt on the top. The same the second one. Next, open the cover here. Here you will find the fuse box, the red one here. In the bag with tools you will find the fuses. So you need to insert the fuse. It will spark, so don't worry, it's normal. And push the fuse all the way in and close it. And secure the box. Just only after 15 minutes we have the Panther 1000W 36V electric dirt bike fully assembled. Just make sure to check the brakes as well and chain and adjust it if needed. There are videos on our YouTube channel how to adjust chain and brakes on these mini dirt bikes. It is very important that before you use it for the first time, you need to fully charge the battery. The battery socket is just here, so connect the charger before you use it and fully charge it. Make sure the light on the charger will change to green. That means that the bike is fully charged. This is very important for the battery. So thanks guys for watching this short video, and I see you in the next video.